name is John Patrick T. I'm from Tipacalipa City. I am 22 years of age and I graduated at Kulean Anasan Nalipa with a degree of Bachelor of Science, Business Administration, in major in Financial Management. I am good in analysis, communication skills, hardworking, and self-motivated. I can solve any financial problem in just short period of time. I also attended many related financial seminar that helped me to improve my knowledge when it comes in financial problem. Again, I'm John Patrick T. Ang applying for financial manager position. Please contact me at 09488552010 or visit my account at johnpatrick_ang@yahoo.com. Thank you.